Welcome back to Goshen Prepping, everybody. When we prep, when we stockpile, there's some items you only need one or two of. Don't waste your money. But there are some items you need to buy in bulk. That's what today's video is dedicated toward. Pick up these items, stockpile, get tons of it, because you can't go wrong. Number one, trash bags. Not even just trash bags, but the large, black, heavy-duty ones have tons of uses. Get lots of them. Number two, batteries, AA, AAAs, whatever you need. Get these in bulk. In fact, the holidays are coming up. It's a perfect time to get them because they're always on sale. Number three, washcloths. Nothing fancy. Just get a whole bunch of the generic plain ones. Don't use paper towels. Washcloths last a lot longer. Number four, pasta. Lots of pasta. Very inexpensive. Filling and shelf stable. It's a great stockpile. Number five is white rice. I can't stress this enough. Very, very easy to store. Super inexpensive, and you can get bulk practically anywhere. To complement that, number six are dried beans. You pick what you want. There's a wide variety. Also super inexpensive. Lots of protein, lots of fiber. A great thing to stockpile. Number seven, this is a must-have, coffee beans. Not just coffee grounds, but beans. It lasts far longer than having ground coffee. And of course, if you have the beans, make sure you have a coffee grinder as well. Number eight are wheat berries, perfect for obviously making your own bread. I get mine from Azure Standard. Check them out if you haven't done so. I'll put a link below, completely free to check them out, and they have the best prices around by far. Number nine, definitely something to add to your stockpile, meat. Get anything from family packs to, consider paying for a side of beef. Buy huge amounts and then preserve it any way you do it, freeze it, can it. It's totally up to you. Number 10, always buy your cleaning products in bulk. Anything from bleach to soaps. You will save a ton of money in this area if you buy it in bulk. Number 11, oh yeah, you knew it was coming, toilet paper. Need I take you back to the year 2020? I don't think so. Number 12, probably the most important one on this entire list, are canned goods. Not simply just buying cans, but the bigger the can, the more the saving. I like getting the giant number 10 cans personally. Number 13, oats. Oh yeah, long shelf life, very versatile for meals, protein packed, they are great. Number 14 is salt. This is so important. Indefinite shelf life. Perfect, obviously, for flavor, food preservation, even medically as well. For our food, we love the pink Himalayan salt. Personally, that's what we love. How about you? And then finally, 15, vinegar. Cleans, preserves food. Also a mild disinfectant, which is great. Especially the apple cider vinegar. So good for you. That's good stuff. There you go. 15 items. Very quick video of things you should always buy in bulk to save in the long run. I know there's some things you would add to this list. Put it in the comments below so we can always help each other out. We are a community. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.